Everybody get your motherfucking roll on. I know shorty and she doesn't want no slow song. Had a man last year, life goes on. Haven't let the thing loose, girl, in so long. You been inside, know you like to lay low. I've been peeping what you bringing to the table. Working hard, girl, everything paid for. First, last phone bill, car, no cable. With your phone out, gotta hit them angles. With your phone out, snapping like you Fable. And you showing off, but it's alright. And you showing.
Yeah, alright. Let's do the intro. Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. I'm here with my friend Ruby and her cat. And today we're going to be doing the yoga challenge. We're going to be doing a few poses and yeah, this is going to be really fun. I'm not flexible in any way, shape or form. Yeah, we're going to try this out. Hopefully you guys enjoy. If you haven't already, please subscribe down below. Starting off with the easy one. Alright, sorry. My sockets are going to come up. Sorry, my legs. I can't even do that. Like, yes, yes, stepping it up a level. Who's going to be the person doing the triangle? Who's going to be the person on? You can be the bottom and I'll be the top one. Alright, thank you, because I don't think I'll be able to do the top one. Like this? Yeah. I'm tucking my jumper in. I don't have like this big fat bra, by the way. Okay. Alright, ready? Oh. I'm not heavy, don't worry, just do it. Oh my God! Now, pose number 3. I don't think I can get any harder than that. Literally. So you go down. Again. Wait, what is it again? You go on the ground like this. Feet here. And supporting, yeah. This is not gonna work! I hope I don't break your back. No, I'm gonna break your legs, that's not gonna work. Okay, let's just do something really easy. This one. It's harder. This is so easy. That's what we do. Yay! I got it. But like this, it might look like that. Hey, I'm gonna start with my. I need to do my legs first. Put it here. I can pull your back off. Oh my God! Wait, just have your hand on the floor, just pretend that we did it. Alright. You're done, we did it! I did this all the time. Alright, let's leave it this week. Who's on top? I'll go on the bottom. We can do both and try. This. Okay. Yeah, right. I can't. Did you see that? I feel like I'm really. It's not. Oh, I can feel it. We did it for like 2 seconds. So we're just facing the same way, but we're just twisting opposite ways. My God! Oh, what the hell? We're professional yoga. That's not even yoga. By the way. Did you see that switch? That switch was so good! Wait, is this alright? Yeah. The other one you have to put your foot back. Okay. Don't worry, it doesn't work. Oh my God, we're doing it! Yes! Okay, we're doing one more. This way. And then we join our top hands together. Oh yeah, down. Oh my God. Hang on. And then lift your leg. Oh! Jeez. My foot was just staying on the ground. So now we're going to make up our own. No, I'll do a handstand and you catch my legs and I'll do the same pose. Yeah, okay. And then like move back and like we'll just make it look like really cool. Wait, do I just keep walking back? Let go of. No, stop! Wait, let go of this foot. And then we can do a split. Anyway guys, thank you so much for watching this video. Hopefully you enjoyed it. It was fun. Yeah, it was just for beginners. I feel like we didn't really do many hard poses. Don't forget to give it a big thumbs up if you did enjoy it and also subscribe down below if you haven't already. And I'll see you in my next video. See ya. Watch the breakdown.